Happy morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be classifying objects between transparent, translucent, and opaque. To do this, we're going to conduct a little experiment. The materials needed are cardboard, a torch, a piece of paper, and a plastic bag. First, take your cardboard and on the torch behind it. Can you see light passing through? No. That is because this cardboard is opaque. Opaque objects are objects that light cannot pass through. Next, take your piece of paper. Shine your torch. Can you see all the light passing through? No. That is because this piece of paper is translucent. Translucent objects are objects that light cannot fully pass through but partially does. Next, take your plastic cover. Shine the torch behind it. Can you see all the light passing through? Yes. That is because this plastic cover is transparent. Transparent objects are objects that light can pass through fully,